Hi, Jake with Dial Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at our new LED interior kit for the Jeep JK Wrangler. This kit includes plug-and-play replacements for your dome, map, and license plate lights. It's also available in a range of color temperatures as well as output levels. It can be installed at home in your garage with basic hand tools and only takes a few minutes. Let's take a look. All right, now to access your stock map lights, we're going to go ahead and use a plastic trim removal tool to take off this plastic cover. And it should pop off fairly easily, and then just set that aside. Then we'll remove our factory bulbs, just pull on them a little bit, and they should come right out. Now we would recommend wearing gloves at this point because these bulbs will get hot. You can then plug in your Dial Dynamics LED replacements. Now before reinstalling that plastic cover, you can go ahead and test them for function. And then just slide that plastic cover right back on. With our map light complete, we can now move backwards for the dome light. To access your factory dome light, we're going to use that same plastic trim removal tool. To remove this plastic cover, push in and down from the side and it should come right out. Now this clear plastic cover doesn't actually come all the way off for the dome light. And if this black shroud comes off as well, don't be alarmed, that's totally normal. It simply clips back in with 4 tabs, 2 on either side. So to take out your factory dome light, you'll simply pull out these little tabs on either side, and the bulb should slip right out. Now before you put your Dial Dynamics LED upgrade in, go ahead and pinch on these tabs just slightly so that the bulb is nice and secure when you pop it in. With that done, go ahead and pop in your Dial Dynamics replacement bulb. With our interior bulbs complete, we can go ahead and move on to the license plate. Now the installation of your license plate bulb could not be any easier. You're going to pinch 2 tabs on either side of the license plate housing and turn counterclockwise to release it. Then you'll remove your stock bulb and plug in your Dial Dynamics LED replacement. Now this bulb is polar sensitive, so we would recommend checking the connection before resecuring the housing. Once you're sure that it's connected properly, resecure the housing and you're done. With your new LED kit installed, you'll now enjoy far better visibility and a cool, clean, modern look. For more information on this kit, visit dialdynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.